Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is Wendy, and this starts a new segment I'm going to offer on my channel. Basically, it's going to be show and tell. I do a lot I make a lot of things from watching other YouTube tutorials, and I like to show how mine turn out and give a shout out to the YouTuber that did the tutorial. Um, so I thought, okay, I was watching the Book Vandal shop, and she did a feature Friday on this YouTuber called, I think it's Witchcraft Do You Do, and I will put the links down below. And it was the paper scroll, excuse me. And I loved this idea so much. Of course, I went to the YouTube channel and I watched her tutorial. It was just so fun. I had to do it. And I wanted to show you how mine turned out and also, share the link to her tutorial as well. So this is my very first paper scroll I made. I won't, like I said, I'm not going to show you how to do it. You got to go to her video to look, but this is what I use. I have this big honking book. And it's not my favorite because the pages are like shiny magazine style pages. So I always have trouble finding a use for these. And it's a bigger page. So I used this. It was the perfect paper for this paper scroll. So I have a little scrappy piece of fabric to tie it to hold it into place. And let me take it off. And let's unroll. So, basically, it's a hodgepodge. Mine is a little bit more collagey, hodgepodgey. I have sewn pieces of fabric and different papers. I'll just keep unrolling. I had so much fun making this, and it's great practice for if you're someone who's not comfortable with collaging or, putting things, together, which I'm still practicing and getting comfortable with that. So it just keeps going and going. And let's see, did I get to the end yet? Okay, here's the end. So let's do. So here is what I have. Let me go down. I love my little fabric scraps that got sewn on. Hopefully, I got this at an angle you guys can see. Oops, it's almost too long for me to. There we go. And there's the end. But what was great was I was able to use up those pages. I cut them in half, and you just glue them together to make this long strip. And it just worked so much better. It just worked. It's better because it's big, they're long, there's lots of space to use. I dyed it, I stamped it really well. So I think these turned out pretty good. So let me show you. Here is another one I started, and it's even longer than the first one I did. So this is the length I'm going to do next. But I just had so much fun. I think these are very useful, especially if I need something and I just want to cut it off and put it in my book. It's already ready and done. So I will share the link below, and go watch the tutorial. She's super fun, and it's really easy to do. And I think, again, it's a great way to practice sewing on paper, inking, collaging. So try her out, and thanks for stopping by. Bye.